Hello tech lovers, my name is Bumi and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like and share this video. In today's video, I'll be giving us a tutorial on how to set up your account, your merge on your YouTube channel so that other people can see your products to buy when they watch your valuable content in exchange of supporting you or in exchange of liking your videos. So if this connotes to what you want, why not continue watching and let's dive into the main topic for today. Thank you. As you all know, recently YouTube introduced shopping into the YouTube system, into the video. That is, you can integrate your Shopify account, your Shopify website into your YouTube channel. Apart from Shopify, if you don't have a Shopify account, because I know it might be expensive to set up a Shopify account, for those of us that don't have a Shopify account, you can sell and create your merge on Spring account, which was formerly Teespring. Now it's called Spring, and you can use Spreadshop to create your merge and you start earning money. And there are criteria to this, and to have a criteria to this, you must be in the YouTube partnership. That is, you must have completed your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I want to set up my class now and I want to carry you guys along. And please, if you're new here and you're watching this, kindly like this video so that YouTube will recognize my channel and people can also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love my content. I am a digital consultant. I give business tips and I give Canva tutorials and empowerment trainings for people. So if this is what you want, why not subscribe to me and let's get started. So now you go to your YouTube. This is my channel, TechwithBunmi, and this is the initial of my company name, Zippet Media Solution. Okay, so we go to YouTube Studios and please watch other of my videos. They are very interesting and educative videos. Okay, so now you scroll down and you go to monetization. When you go to monetization, you can see that I have shopping. You will not get this shopping on your video if you are not monetized. Okay, so I have this shopping, and you can also earn money through your membership, setting up your membership. But I want to reach a certain subscribers before I set up my membership. So please subscribe and support your girl. Okay, so now the purpose of this class is to integrate our Shopify account. I don't have a Shopify account, so I'll be using a different account. So you click on this shopping and you connect to a shop. You can either connect to Shopify account, which I said earlier on, Spreadshop and Spring. Note that this is paid. This Shopify is a paid site, is a paid website. Okay, so if you don't want to use this paid website, or perhaps you don't have a Shopify account, you can, if you have a shop, for those that have Shopify account, any of your products on Shopify account you can integrate if you have a YouTube monetized channel. So if you don't have a Shopify account, if you're like me, then these two, I'm advertising these two to you, Spring and Spreadshop. You can design your merge. It's in form of a drop shipping. You are just the third party. You don't have anything to do with the delivery and all that. All is already attached to it. All you need to do is promote the product, design it, promote the product, and you get your profit inside your back office. If you want me to do a full tutorials on Spring, because that's what I'm familiar with and that's what I will be using in these tutorials, then keep on comment yes in the comment section and I will do a full tutorials for you. Okay, so now we'll click on Spring and we continue. You accept it. I agree to all of the above, and this is it. Then this place, I have a Spring account already, so I need to get my ID. So this is my ID. I'm going to copy it, right? And
My
I will
Spring
ID, okay? And I already copied it. So I will go back here and I would click, I will paste it here, okay? And it's going to connect. So it's going to take a while for you to set up if you have if you have a short, a low internet or your internet is not fast enough. Okay, so now this is to create your own design, as you can see. So this is it. So tech lovers, this is the design I made on Spring. Its name used to be Teespring, but they changed their name to Spring now. So these are my display product on channel. Okay, so now I'm going to take you to my channel, and let me pause this. Watch my other videos, okay? Sorry about that. So now this is my storefront. You can see, you see on this tab that you see home, video, playlist, co community, stores, channel, and about. Okay, so now you can see the store is displaying. It wasn't there before, and now this is my store. So if you go to my channel, under my videos, I believe this will be showing under my videos. Okay, so why not subscribe, like if you love what you're saying, and please watch other of my videos. Share this to someone that would want to set up their products on their videos, and please don't forget to like and join the tech family. Thank you and bye for now.